Yeah, well, that's, Okay, guys, MG and Gussie here from the Grill team with Rugby League Week this week on our website. Just looking through, I know it's not a question that we've got to answer this week, but we're just reading Adrian Morley's book, My Story from Moz. Gussie, I think that he would be definitely in the top 3 British men who've come to Australia to play.
Who would you have in your other 2 if you had a top 3? If Moz is what, number
3?
Yeah.
I think Ellery Hanley would be number 1, and I think Malcolm Reilly would be number 2.
Schofields, Ellis?
Yeah, I think Ellis and Schofield would be just under Moz, but he was
awesome for the Roosters.
Oh, of course.
Won a comp in 2002, and he's the only bloke the Roosters used to sing a song about. So, Morley.
Your nipples get hard when you talk about
a little bit. I'm going to keep my shirt on.
That's for you, Moz. What are the questions this week, brother?
Okay, Robbie Robster Daly says, which team will be the dark horse of the comp?
Well, the dark horse, last year they finished 6th, but Canberra for mine are the team that never gets spoken about.
They had a great end of last season. They came from the clouds to make the 8.
Yeah, and I think that I've backed young Ferguson on their wing to be the top try scorer this year at $51. I got him nice and early. So
you did.
I think him. But also I think Parramatta and Penrith will both go better than they did last year, and I think the Titans would too. But I think if you had to say which team will be the high, I think Canberra. What about you?
If I said the Sharks, is that a dark horse? Because they've improved so much and they were pretty good last year. But I just think the Sharkies, they've had some off-field drama in the lead up to the comp. But,
Bryce Gibbs out for the year with an Achilles. He's a big part of their success.
And of course, Todd Carney, a lot rests on him. And Gallen as well. So anyway, I'll say the Sharkies. You're going with
Raiders.
The Raiders. Okay. Shannon Kearney, although only trials, was there a particular team that impressed you from the trial matches, MG? And did any player stand out in any of those games that you think are set for a big year ahead?
Unfortunately, yes. The Roosters. And in particular, Michael Jennings, who just looks so...
How quick did he look?
My goodness, look like Ricochet Rabbit. He's going to be a big loss for the Panthers, obviously. I think South, they're the team I think will win the competition. It's out of them, all the Doggies, all the Storm, I think, to win it, even this far out.
Well, I'll say the Roosters. And the reason I say the Roosters, obviously I'm a mad Rooster fan, but no one has recruited better, and they looked really good. They kept Manly to 4, they kept basically 2 tries by the Tigers when the game was over. So, here's hoping for the Roosters.
See you next week. Back to Moz.
Now you read me a little story, big man.
Once upon a time there was a boy called Adrian.
Right.